Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I thought we are one Nigeria. I thought we are one Nigeria. Good evening. How are you, my people? Now, good evening. I thought we are one Nigeria. Now, today I know, say no, we are not one Nigeria. The tribal sentiment is getting too much and it's too high. What exactly is the problem? Good evening, Mata Ibubi, my sister. What is the problem? Why is the heavy tribal sentiment? What is going on? Good evening. Why? What is it? What did they never see before? What did they happen? Why you are an Edo, you are an Edo, you are an Igbo, you are Hausa, you are Yoruba, you are this? What exactly is the problem? I really needed to clear this or to talk about this because of the people I value a lot, or the people I respect a lot, or the people I know who are Igbos. This is why I even have to talk about it. Why are some people, why do they want to make everywhere look as if they want to make everywhere look as if there is going to be war? What exactly is it? What's going on? Thank you, Abubakar. We are fine. Good evening. What is it?
This old charger.
Post now just make all the Igbo people in the whole world. You people want to eat me raw. You want to eat me without. You want to eat me raw without toasting me on the machine. You want to eat me raw. Now you divide me put for adaka. Then I go chop me without not put salt or maggi or pepper. What is it? Now me cause the problem with Nigeria. Am I the person who caused the problem who is in Nigeria? Am I the owner or the cost of the problem who is in Nigeria? What exactly is the problem? What is it? Some people, they don't know how to respect themselves. They don't know at all. What is going on? If there's anybody who loves Nnamdi Kanu, even you people, the Igbo, don't love Nnamdi like me. Or you can't tell me that you love Nnamdi more than me. I have many posts to prove my love for Nnamdi. Do you love him more than me? Why do you people want to make it look like, even without you understanding the meaning of that post, all of you will just jump out? You want to kill the person, you want to tear the... Make una take time. Some of una. Make una take time. Honestly speaking, make una take time. Enough is enough. What is it? What exactly is the problem? What did I do to you people? What did I do wrong? I just went on a platform. I saw that, oh, a guy did an analysis of what is going to happen if what might be the possible consequences of the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu. When I saw it, oh, Nnamdi Kanu is somebody I've been following. You don't tell me, don't come to my platform and tell me to say, come, let me tell you. Don't talk on issues. It's bigger than you. It's more sensitive. Which issue is bigger? Why are you people contributing if it's bigger? If the issue is bigger than me, why is it not bigger than you? Are you not a Nigerian? Am I not a Nigerian? What stops me from talking into the issue of Nigeria? Please, admin, help me to be blocking anybody. Anybody who just make a nonsensical comment, I will block you. If you don't want to listen to my explanation, I will block you. I don't have time. What exactly is the problem? Why are you people want to, what do you want to, I don't want to, the way you unleash on me. If I get angry and unleash on you people, Ovation go carry me on. What will be the problem? Ovation go carry me on. Do they beg people to follow people on social media? Do they beg people to say you must follow me on social media? Can you imagine? What exactly is the problem? Allow people to share their opinion without fighting anyone. Did I insult you people? Did I insult you? I never even insulted you. I was just only joking with some of you. What exactly is the problem? See the way you all just jump at taka. If a Benin woman just make a comment concerning the Igbo, the whole world want to flow. Blood want to share. Blood share everywhere. They want to... What is it, my people? What exactly is the problem? I am the person who loves Nnamdi Kanu more than you people. I remember a video I did on YouTube 1 year ago. 1 year ago, I can still remember, and I can bring it out here to prove it. I was talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Say, oh, my people have not slept. I was busy listening to Nnamdi Kanu. I've not slept. I'm still awake. It was encouraging. I love Nnamdi Kanu with all my heart. With all my heart, and it's not even a joke. With all my heart. That is how I love him. I don't love him because of what he's agitating for as a Nigerian. No. Or as a Biafran. I love him personally because of his intellectual. Finish. I love him personally because of his intelligence. I love Nnamdi Kanu personally because of his intelligence. If he speaks, everywhere will be checking. Those are the kind of people I love. And I just have this special love for that man. How will I come out and insult a person like that? I only just make a post. And the post is even coming from Igbo brothers like you people. Why are you restricting me on social media? To say you don't, if you do this, you are going to cause a war. You're going to do this. We're going to do you that. We're going to bring down your platform. We're going to do this. Just because of a post. An analysis that an Igbo brother like you people did. And I reposted. Is it what you have been commenting all the insults in the world for? What if I stand on this platform and return on the insults back to you? What exactly is the problem? Somebody cannot easily make their opinion anymore. What stops me from, because I'm a Benin woman, I'm a Benin woman, I'm operating a social media platform. I cannot even make a comment. I can't even make a comment. If I make a comment about you, because I'm not your tribe, so the heaven must fall down, because I don't belong to your tribe. For that reason, I'm not a human being, because I'm not an Igbo. Who is fighting for freedom? I only just made my opinion. And even the opinion is not even my own. It's coming from an Igbo brother like you people. Let me read it for you to see. I don't know if I can find it. I sent it to you. What exactly is the problem? Look at just look at the way people are just talking. Nigerians, wait, what exactly is happening to you people? What is happening to us? No freedom of speech anymore. The same freedom of speech you people are condemning Nigeria, federal government of Nigeria for, is the same thing you people are doing. Same freedom of speech. If federal government now go say they let person talk, they are oppressing people. That's exactly what they are doing. Is that not what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu and any other person right now? Don't talk. You don't have right to free speech because you are not a big man. Because you are not known. Because you don't have this, you don't have that. This issue is bigger than you. You are not enough. So people cannot add their opinion because issue on ground is bigger than them. Who says so? Where is all this ideology coming from? Coming from where? What kind of ideology is that? I cannot have my opinion. The opinion that I even saw online from an Igbo brother like you people. I just posted it. It's coming from an Igbo brother like you people. Who just shared his opinion. I took it. It drew my attention. And I posted it just for people to see. And I saw the way you people are so emotional. Drop the post. Do this one. You want to mandate me on my platform to be dropping posts because you don't like it? Apologize to who? For what reason? For sharing my opinion on my platform? Did I insult them? Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. All the Benin people will not be Ashawo, Benin people will not be human traffickers. Who is going to apologize for that one? Who? So you love money. Is it an insult? Me, I love money. My husbands love money. Everyone loves money. Please know it. Everyone loves money. So how is it an insult to say somebody loves money? So when I say you love money, it's an insult that I have to apologize for. Really? Who said that? Who said so? So when has a person loving money becomes an insult? How many times have I done a topic on this, my platform, talking about betrayal? Betrayers are everywhere. I only just said betrayers everywhere. Did I say Igbo people are the betrayers? Why are you people putting words in my mouth? I don't want to be angry, some of una. Some of una. Some of una. Well, now they write me comment, they write me message, they threaten, they say, let me tell you, Igbo people, we will do this, we will do that. Come, Obi, whatever. I don't know what your name is. Obi, madam, you say you are a woman. Don't try me. You see that nonsense you want to start with me. Don't even try it at all. If you try me the Igbo way, I will deal with you in the Benin style. Who the hell are you? If you try me the Igbo way, I will deal with you in the Benin style. Did I insult anyone? I only just make my points. No insult. And it means no insult. Oh, they like money. Go and look at Pararan. All the news Pararan is carrying every day. What is happening? I don't like it when people come to my platform to tell me, say, face your hookup. Then, when I'm doing the hookup, some of you will come back to me to say, no, did you meet your husband in hookup? Why are you doing hookup? Why are you doing hookup? When you see me doing another program, this program is more than you are not supposed to do it. The other one is more than you are not supposed to do it. Like, you people can go and open your platform and do your own. Leave me the hell alone, Nigerians. What exactly is your problems? What exactly is your problems? You are not supposed to do this. Did you meet your husband in the hookup? Even when you are sitting down and doing the hookup, did you meet your husband in the hookup? Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? This thing is very wrong, what you are doing. This thing is very wrong, what you are doing. You are sitting down another program. Other people will come out to tell you that. Even when they see you exchanging or replying somebody, they come back to tell you to say, you are doing saga. Saga is not for you. Saga is not good for you. Stop it. It's not good for you. I don't want to see you doing saga. Because you are very responsible. It's not good for you. I only just put up a post about a trending topic on social media. This case is trendy. Nnamdi Kanu is being arrested by Nigeria federal government. And is being extradited from a country into Nigeria. Nobody knows which country exactly he was extradited from. I saw it online, which I also have people who follow me. I have 50,000 followers on this platform, for God's sake. So these 50,000 followers, they will just sit down and be there. I don't have anything to post about them. And what exactly is the problem? I take my post from anywhere. I take my post from anywhere. It can come from Afghanistan to Nigeria. Anywhere I like, as long as I'm not offending the federal government. For what? Did I complain about Nnamdi Kanu? No. I only just said, this is a post from somebody, an Igbo brother like you people. You people just came after me. Some entering into my inbox to come and tell me, say, come and apologize to the Igbos. Please. Bia, let me tell you people. Let me tell you people. Me, I not use Biniguma. I tell look me. I use God beguna. I respect people when they respect themselves. Only people who respect themselves deserve to be respected. Not be people who not respect themselves. So. Not be people who not respect themselves. Not be that they respect. You respect yourself first. Am I the problem of Nigeria? Am I the person who said Nigeria must not be divided? Am I the person who said Nigeria shouldn't be divided? If even then put that Nigeria for ground, say make them divide them, I will be the person who will allow you to divide so that you can go. What exactly is the problem? Person not they talk again. If person just talk, all of you go just run, come out. You have to, we will do you this, I will do you that. The other one said, I will meet you in Anova. Anova is not very far. I'm coming to kill you. I'm coming to kill you, to strike you. Over what? Over a post because I said you like money. In be like saying a prison, the night they hungry some of una. Prison. Let me come out of my house and see person where make fame. If I hold you, if I don't jail you, you will know that I'm not Rita. If I don't jail you, you will know that I'm not Rita. If I don't jail you, you not gonna say I'm not be Rita. Touch me. Just try and touch me like this if I don't jail you. Do I look like a nonsense Benin woman where not know what they do? Did I insult you people? I just expressed myself on my platform. Finish, I never insulted any of you. I meant a completely no insult for anyone. I hate it when people come to my platform to tell me to say, drop that post. Who said that? Because I'm a Benin woman. Because I'm a Benin woman. What makes me less of a person? Or less of a woman because I'm a Benin woman? What is it? Are we not one? Don't the Igbos, they talk about the Benin people? I'm not tribalistic in any way. I just talk about what is happening on social media. Anything that's happening on social media is a topic for every blogger. Go to Parara right now. Since 3 days, he has been talking about Nnamdi Kanu's case. Go to Channel News. Since 3 days, they have been talking about it. Go to any television station. For the past 3-4 days, that's what people have been talking about. Anything where they grant, people they talk about. Including you, because you have your Facebook and you are using it to talk and comment and do whatever. You don't come to my platform to oppress me, to tell me to say you want to do this to me or do that to me. Bia, make una take una time. You get where person, the respect person rich, you don't do. Take your time. Stop all the threat and nonsense. I don't like it. When they come to my platform to come and be threatening me and talking nonsense.
Stop it.
I will not stop the video.
When you
Daddy.
come, you do it.
No, I will not stop it. Let me talk to them. What exactly is it? Who are they to oppress me? Who are they to oppress me? To come and be telling me to say, we will do this, we will do that, I will meet you in an over, I will beat you, it's not very far, they will come and hit you. Over what? Do you love Nnamdi Kanu more than me? Do you love him more than me? I did a video on my YouTube channel 1 year ago, where I was talking about... What happened? It's off. Please help me with my YouTube channel. There's something I'm looking for. See the way all of the fly come out. We go do you this one. This harlot. Anywhere you see Benin woman, you start shouting and saying harlot, prostitute. Did I sleep with your father? Did I sleep with your father? I don't sleep with una papa before. What exactly is your problem? If they respect una, not they respect una. Do you want me to open my mouth and say things you're not supposed to hear? Or you want me to blind you with some difficult words that you will ever regret hearing from me? Stop the nonsense. You people are the people who bully. I don't bully you people. I only just share my opinion on the issue that is on public. You're coming to say harlot, prostitute. Anywhere you see Benin woman, you'll be saying prostitute. Anywhere you see Benin woman, you'll be saying harlot. Anywhere you see Benin woman, you want to say prostitute. Now, not come with the prostitute, Igbo people. Now, not come with the prostitute. They never fuck with mama before. They never fuck with papa before. They never fuck with sisters before. Now, only Benin women, they fuck. But not be Benin women born una. Now, pray kuna mama do what they born on most of una. You people should stop it. Stop the oppression. I don't like people who oppress people. I don't oppress people. I only just share my opinion. You don't come to my platform and come and be telling me to say, I will do you this. Harlot. Who is this harlot? Who is this prostitute? Who is this? Don't allow me to remind you people and take your mind back to 1960. I will take your mind back. If they put Igbo girls and Benin girls for ground, who fuck pass? Make I remind you now. The one where killed the other one, so when one collect money, na Benin woman. The one where killed that una man, so when one collect money, na Benin woman do one. Una don't ever see and say Benin woman keep person saying one collect money. Una don't ever see say Benin woman keep person saying one collect money. It don't do. It don't do. If they respect some of una now, say una too much. See as they run come a platform, come they do gree like say they throw bad for inside all the rats the pack come out. They want to come and chop me without roasting me. What exactly is the problem? I repeat, as a matter of fact, even you that is claiming that you are a Biafran, you don't even love Nnamdi Kanu like me. Yes, I repeat, that is my word. And I stand on it. Even you that claim that you are Nnamdi Kanu, you are a correct Biafran. You don't love Nnamdi Kanu like me. I did not love him because of his agitation at all. No. I did not love him because of what he is agitating for. I love him because of his charisma. I love him because if he speak, everywhere will be checking. I love him because of his words. And I can prove it to you from this video that I'm going to bring out right now. This video, when I want to show una, so I go use and take proven for una. The love I have for Nnamdi Kanu. Igbo people, some of una, stop provoking me to anger. Stop it. Don't come and play the boss on my platform. Allow me to talk about whatever I know is happening on social media. You don't have the right to oppress my neck. Let me talk to this mama. Or to tell me to say, don't say this, don't say that. We will do this to you. You see that guy, you said that rubbish to say, Anova is not very far. My brother, I don't want to send you to where you don't want to go. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry by saying nonsense. Hello?
Hello, my dear. Calm down. Let me throw a little bit of words into this, yeah? You see, a true leader has the charisma. And Nnamdi is a true leader, but a true leader is open to criticism. A true leader is a revolutionist. You see, Igbos are not ready. Nigerians in general are not ready for division. Because Nnamdi is not the only revolutionist in Nigeria. Gani Fayomi died as a freedom fighter. Fela's mother died as a freedom fighter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fela died as a freedom fighter. Bola Ige died as a freedom fighter. Even Abiola was poisoned. You see, so Nnamdi will not be the first, he will not be the last. They want Biafra. They want Benin to join. They want Urobo to join. They want Bayelsa to join. They want Niger Delta to join. But we don't love ourselves. Even if we join them, they will still kill us. Yes? We can't join. I love Nnamdi Kanu. I love his ideology. But I don't like what the people are doing.
I just tired, Mama. I just shared my opinion. I didn't insult anyone. These people came after me to start running. I will do this to you. We will kill you in the road. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
These are illiterate. It's not. You see, a freedom fighter is not only by fighting. And intellectuals, you see, they go on national conference. Who betrayed Nnamdi Kanu? That is the question. Is it not the Igbos?
I don't have any proof. I don't know whether they are the one who betrayed or they are not the one. But
okay, Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to. You see, this fight has been a long fight. In the sense that it's not supposed to be like this. It's not supposed to be like this. In the whole of Nigeria, the most undeveloped state is the Igbo land. Why? They give allocations to everybody. Why are the governors not working? If you go to Enugu, Enugu is like Abuja because the governors are working. Anambra is beautiful. But Imo State, Owerri State, Umuahia, there's nothing there to write home about. You see, I thought now that they've catched Nnamdi, let Nigeria consume now. I want the Igbos to consume Nigeria. Consume them now. I will not. It's not just talking. Actions speak louder than voice.
Mama.
Actions speak louder than voice. Yes.
Thank you, ma. Thank you for your opinion. Me, I did not even make any. I didn't make any judgment. I only just made a post to say, and that post, honestly speaking, is not even from me. It's from an Igbo analyst. His name is Chinaka. An Igbo analyst. He sat down and he analyzes what the possible, the possible, or what is going to happen.
Did you watch Daddy Freeze live yesterday?
No.
He was on live till 2 a.m. Go to his program.
The possible result, Mama. The possible result is what that woman just analyzed. Finish.
Exactly. Daddy Freeze was on program.
I don't know why these people want to. Where they all of them are coming. It's like they want to shock me. It's like I'm a different person. It's like I'm not a Nigerian. I'm not allowed to air my opinion. What exactly is wrong with you people?
Don't get worked up over them because your platform is a versatile platform. Are you getting me? Don't get worked up. Do your job. Sell yourself. Use this period to sell yourself more.
Mama, listen. I want to play this video. This video, I did it 1 year ago. It's written. I will post it later after this video. 1 year ago.
My sister, sell yourself with this program. Sell it.
Thank you, Mama.
You have a lot of potentials. Don't let anger take over you.
Oh, you don't even want to know. You know the part where you can't pay me pass. I only just posted my opinion without insulting anyone, and the Igbos come after me and start calling me prostitutes, and they are demanding for my apology.
Okay.
How dare you?
Use this.
How dare you come to my platform to call me prostitute and demand for my apology? The same time. Please, Daddy, I don't want you to off my video. Allow me to share my opinion. Don't share. It's enough.